Yo guys, welcome back to another video. It's a new day and I've been holding this sell trade on Crash Now Red Index. I took this sell trade yesterday, expecting the sells to the downside. I got my entries at this point, and you can see how far this index has dropped from my entry level. The massive sells we've got basically. So how did I know this index is going to sell from this level? I've made over $300 on this sell trade and I'm still holding, still expecting more sales. Running my $40 to over $300. So here in today's video, we're having a market breakdown, a trade review basically. This index has been existing for some time. For the past 2-3 months now, this index has been existing. So it's a new index, and on this index existence, we've got a massive increase in price value. This index rose from the level of 12,400. That's the price value this index started existing from, and it went to as high as 13,800. This index had a massive increase in price value. So I expected this index to drop after we got this increase in price from this level to this zone. I expected a correction. So the market created a high here, a high on that level, which price pushed up to drop, came back to the same level again the second time. And on getting the drop to the downside the second time, the market created a bearish structure, a bearish formation, which we can see on the 4-hour time frame. But before that, let's spot this level clearly. Let's spot this level because I expect price to sell into this zone in the coming hours and days. You can see how massive this candle looks, this bearish engulfing candle in daily time frame, which means that we could still see more sells on this index. Price could drop to these lows, the lows of 12,000, before we can see price gain value back to the upside, push up back to the upside. So on the 4-hour time frame, we've got a bearish structure which the market was creating lower highs and lower lows formation. The boom and crash index respects trend lines a lot, trend lines, support levels, and resistance levels. So I spotted this lower highs the market was creating as a trend resistance level, getting the first highs on this level, price dropped, second highs on this level, price still dropped again, second highs here, we still got price drop here, and the third highs at this point, the third approach of this level where I looked at for my sell opportunities, because I was like, if the market can sell on this trend resistance level the first time, drop to the downside, push up again on this same level, drop the second time. You can see how far the second drop was, and price to came back to the same level. We had sell expectations on this zone. So all I did was to identify a level here, which is a horizontal level of resistance. Same price, push up here, dropped a little bit, got a reaction here, the sell reactions. So adding to this horizontal level and the trend resistance level, I spread this index to sell from this zone. So on spotting my sell zone, I went to a lower time frame, the next lower time frame, that's the 1 hour time frame, and still had a view of the market, so that we had a break of trend already. There was a break of trend at this point, right? And my entries came in on the 15 minutes time frame, where I spotted a reversal pattern formation, a bearish reversal pattern formation basically, which is a head and shoulders. So I'm spotting the head at this point, the left shoulder at this zone, and the right shoulder here basically. I expected this index to drop from this level on the break and close below the neckline. So I took the sells here, which price pushed up a little bit. I took the sells at this point, which price pushed up a little bit, dropped, pushed up again, played around, consolidated here before dropping to the predicted direction. So on spotting my zone on my sell zone on the 4-hour time frame, I went to the 15 minutes time frame to look out for an entry confirmation to take the sells to downside, because I expected the sells on this index. And seeing the bigger picture of the market, the high time frame levels, you can see that this index has sell possibilities. The market needed to correct. Correction was expected on this index on same price, gained value on its existence. So I expect the market to drop to these lows. And we also got an order block formation here, which we can see at this point. We have a bullish order block here, which price could drop into for the buys. And if the data frame candle can close below this level, this structure, we could see more sells in the coming hours and days. And when we look at the daily time frame structure, this formation here, we can see that we got a big reversal pattern formation, which is the head and shoulders, having the left shoulder here, the head at this point, and the right shoulder, which we took the sell from. So more sells expected. I've been holding this sell trade for the past hours, over 24 hours now of holding this sell trade, and I still expect more sells on this index. I'm very much safe in this trade because my stop loss is below my entry. So let's see what happens, right? We just got another crash right now. That's it on the one minute time frame. Just got another crash, and the market could still sell more, right? The market could sell further to the downside to our expected level, and my stop loss is below my entry, which I would move to this level to stay very much safe in this trade. So that's it, guys. That was how I took the sell trade on Crash 900 index, having a bigger view of the market, then doing a proper analysis, a total analysis from a higher time frame down to a lower time frame to get my entries. So for more trade reviews on the market breakdown, do want to smash the like button and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate your support for engaging in my videos. It limits a lot, guys. Let's do more and do have a wonderful day.